Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Microwave waves, a type of electromagnetic radiation, travel at the speed of light, about 299,792 kilometers per second, 186,282 miles per second, in a vacuum. This incredible speed enables microwaves to be used in various applications, from heating your food in a microwave oven to transmitting information over vast distances in space. Their speed, combined with their ability to penetrate various materials, makes them highly useful for communication and cooking technologies.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.